All right, let's go ahead and try this out. We're gonna do the edges along the patio, again, along the wall as well. And again, this is super lightweight. It's got that nice handle right here. So let's go ahead and try this out. So that works very well. Let me also try it right here along the patio. Alright, so when I'm doing the edges here, this thing I'm actually going to go ahead and switch right up like that. That way it doesn't block me from cutting the edges. And then also, if you ever needed to change this, the string on it, you can go ahead and take that out. So hey, I just love how convenient it is not having to deal with that extension cord like I'm so used to dealing with. This is definitely great. Let's go ahead and try that blower out. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try this out. Again, it's very lightweight. I mean, literally hold it with my pinky right here. Super lightweight. Let's go ahead and check it out. There we are. So hey, I mean, it's not very powerful, but definitely great for small jobs, whether you got just leaves or some grass that you need to blow, or you got to blow the driveway. So not for huge jobs, but definitely for these small around your house jobs, this is definitely working great. So hey, overall, I like both. They're inexpensive, they work great. So these are definitely ones I would recommend.